after that profile is built out, how do I print that off or save it as a PDF?
Here, you can see a PDF. So you can click this. So when I click the PDF, this section I'm giving as a print. You can print it or you can mail it. Earlier, I think we also had an option to print PDFs. So whole thing was getting printed, but I think that option is not yet there because there was too much of the information. You can also get this in the CSV. So each of these middle information you can either print or you get in the CSV. And these insights are also available here as notes. When you go to this section, each of these insights are available as notes. You can either copy these items, Control A, print if you're connected with the printer, or just take it on a Google Doc. But sure, it makes sense maybe here to also add them download as a PDF or a single button which can download all of them as a PDF. Currently, we didn't provide that because it was a bit heavy on the backend to generate all this information. But the market research part you can generate as a PDF.